Hi, my name is Olivier Girardot. I'm a music composer and a sound designer. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to go on a building destruction site for a recording session. I am not a Foley artist or a sound engineer, I'm a sound designer. That means I spend most of my time in my studio creating sounds from scratch. I don't go out for hours of recording sessions with loads of microphones to bring back hours of recordings, but I do make my own recordings when I need some specific sounds, as you may have seen in some of my previous videos, like the punch in the face sound video or the how to create a fake fire sound one. Check them out if you haven't already. So the past couple of weeks there has been a building demolition going on just around the corner. It's pretty impressive and I thought it would be a great opportunity to go out there and do some recordings. So I'm going to go out there with my Zoom H4N. It's a very cool device, you've probably heard of it. I might make a presentation video of the H4N in the near future. It's the perfect tool to carry around to make some quick random recordings. And the quality is pretty decent. So let's go outside and catch some cool building destruction sounds. And here's what the recording sounds like. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment below and subscribe to my channel. And also check out my sound effects online shop at ogsoundeffects.com. Bye bye. Hi. So the past couple of weeks there has been a building. So I'm going to go out there with my Zoom H4N. It's the perfect tool to carry around. It's the perfect tool to carry around